In the picturesque town of Windswept Hollow, nestled in the rolling hills of Virginia, the air was crisp and carried whispers of ancient remedies known to the elders of the land. At the local apothecary, a humble wooden structure adorned with herbs and natural trinkets, Anna, a seasoned herbalist, gently guided visitors towards healing paths untouched by synthetic medicines. One chilly morning, a visitor named Jonathan, a retired cyclist with a lingering passion for adventure, stepped cautiously into the apothecary. His joints ached with a persistent soreness that dulled his spirits and deterred him from his frequent rides. With a hopeful heart, Jonathan sought Anna's expertise. Here in Windswept Hollow, a remedy called ArcticBlast had captured the essence of nature's power to soothe aching joints effectively. ArcticBlast was not just a product, but a culmination of years of tradition and experimentation. It derived its efficacy from a unique blend of essential oils and natural extracts, famed for their anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Anna explained to Jonathan that ArcticBlast combined the refreshing chill of menthol with the warming embrace of camphor, creating a balanced sensation that targeted deep tissue pain and inflammation. Essential oils like eucalyptus and peppermint furthered its soothing qualities, designed to penetrate layers of discomfort and invigorate tired muscles. This isn't just about relieving pain, Anna spoke with a soothing tone. It's about reclaiming your freedom. Anna instructed Jonathan on how to apply the oil. A few drops massaged gently onto the skin in circular motions, allowing the ingredients to melt into his aching joints. Jonathan couldn't help but notice the distinct aromatic blend that instantly calmed his senses as he applied the oil. Over the following weeks, Jonathan adopted ArcticBlast into his daily routine. With each application, he felt the tightness in his joints loosening, the dull ache fading into oblivion. Each morning he awoke with anticipation, eager to embrace the trails that once thrilled him. The residents of Windswept Hollow soon noticed Jonathan's renewed vigor. His face radiated joy as he zipped through the town's winding lanes, grateful for the restorative power of nature's gift. As he rode past the apothecary, he waved to Anna, thanking her silently for her wisdom. In Windswept Hollow, ancient remedies whisper on, offering peace and relief to all who seek them.